As an international service nonprofit committed to hearing health, Sertoma works to help our members and partners better understand the impact hearing loss has on the individuals who live with it every day. Communication plays a vital role in the lives of those affected by hearing loss, but the good news is there are more tools than ever to enhance everyday communication. Whether you're a professional, a caregiver, or someone personally navigating hearing loss, this session is designed to inform, empower, and connect you with the hearing assistive technology that can make a meaningful difference in daily life. Hearing assistive technology, or HATs, are devices designed to help individuals hear in loud, busy places. This technology comes in many forms. It can work with your hearing aid and/or cochlear implant, or it can work as a standalone device. Some systems will be completely audio only, while others allow for visual elements or a combination of the two. There are certain environments that make it difficult for any of us to hear. When you have hearing loss, the American Speech Language Hearing Association, or ASHA, notes it can be even harder. Most obviously, it can be challenged to hear distant sounds. This is because sound fades as it travels, making it more difficult for us to hear people across a room. This is even more of a struggle when the room is crowded and noisy. Whether we must compete with things like conversation, passing traffic, a blaring TV, loud music, or even a simple air conditioner, it all makes it harder for us to hear. And finally, those with hearing loss often struggle when the sound bounces around the space we're in due to poor acoustics. Sound bounces off of hard surfaces like walls and tables, resulting in echoes. Simple things like carpet or a couch can make it somewhat easier to hear. That's where hats come in. There are many options available out there, but today we'll go through just a few, starting with FM systems. FM stands for frequency modulation. ASHA explains that an FM system is like its own tiny radio station with its own dedicated frequency. There are two parts to the system, the microphone worn by the speaker and the receiver worn by the listener. The microphone sends a signal to the receiver, allowing a speaker's voice to go directly to you through the device or your hearing aid. FM systems are a great option because they are so flexible and can be worn anywhere, from the office to movie theaters to restaurants. In larger places, there may even be built-in systems that offer a FM receiver or headset for many users to wear. Next up, we have infrared or IR systems. These are a little more complicated. These systems use infrared light to send sounds across a space. According to ASHA, the system changes sound into light and sends it onto a receiver. The receiver then turns that light back into sound, which is heard either directly in your hearing aid or through a separate receiver device. These systems tend to be used at home to watch television or in a larger place like a theater. ASHA notes that IR systems allow others to enjoy programming at the same time without having to turn up the volume up to uncomfortable levels. Induction looping is a third option that many Sertomas know a bit more about thanks to our sound investment program and use at our conventions. With an induction loop, a wire is placed around the perimeter of a room or dedicated space. A microphone is then connected to the wire, which causes a current to move through the wire and creates an electromagnetic field in the space. When a hearing aid has a T-coil and is set to the proper setting, this field then allows hearing aid wearers to hear what is being said directly through their device. Due to their high price tag, induction loop systems are most typically used in large group settings and public places. They can be portable, like the one Sertoma uses, or directly built into a space. Many of our clubs have helped sponsor looping in local government buildings, theaters, and other large public arenas. Many of our members are also aware of one-to-one communicators, like the portable info loop. Sertoma sponsored a national service project for several years that helped clubs place these devices in libraries, pharmacies, health clinics, hospitals, city halls, school offices, and more. One-to-one communicators are exactly what they sound like. It's used during a conversation between two people, like at an ER check-in desk, business meeting, or even while riding in the car. One person speaks directly into the microphone, allowing their voice to pipe right into the listener's hearing aid. ASHA explains this lets you talk to someone without shouting to provide a smoother, more discreet conversation. There are many other types of hats out there that are designed to make our lives easier. There are telephone accessories that can make our phones and answering machines louder, or that turn our conversations into text. There are home systems that give us doorbells that are louder and may even flash our lights. There are wake-up alarms that vibrate and smoke detectors that shake our beds. There are computer systems that instantly translate speech into text or modulate pitch to make it easier to hear. Other visual systems offer things like closed captioning television, a built-in feature that is required on all TVs with 13-inch screens or larger. There are even note-taking devices and apps that can help capture information in real time in the classroom. Whatever issue you're facing, there's likely an option out there, so talk to your audiologist or do a little research online to find out what's available. And that brings us to the end of today's session on hearing assistive technology. We hope you're leaving with a deeper understanding of how technology can support better communication and quality of life for those affected by hearing loss. You can stay connected with Sertoma for more resources, support, and opportunities to make a difference in hearing health. Make sure to connect with us in our members-only Facebook group or check out our website by using the links shown here.